Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add image widget in Analytic Studio dashboard. Okay, so first thing, log into your developer edition for Salesforce Einstein Analytics. Then click on App Launcher. After that, we will click on Analytic Studio, which will open a new tab where we have to open any dashboard of ours. Okay, so let's go there. Here you can see I have my dashboard, and here I'm going to drop in image widget from this left hand sidebar. So here you see image widget, which I'm going to drop here. Okay. Now to add the image, I'm going to click on center of that. Okay, here I can upload the image, or simply I can choose from the gallery. So I'm going to choose from the gallery so as to avoid all this uploading and accepted file format issue. So what we'll do is we will simply basically use the default icons that we have. Okay, so if I choose this gallery image and click on select, it will be added here. Okay, and after that what we can do is we will simply preview this. If you want to change the image, you can simply double click on it or click on right hand side properties. Okay, and you can choose another image if you want. Select it, extend depending on how you want it to look. Okay, considering the size of this image, I can make sure that it gets filled within specific grid size. Okay, then save this. Now let's preview, and here you see your image is visible. You have to think of grid whenever you are adding items, so you have to choose the image that fits in your grid. Okay, so you get the idea how to add image widget in Einstein Analytics Studio in Salesforce.